Yeah, back again, back in the booth, still spitting. Yeah, it's 5 in the morning, I ain't yawning, trying to get my cake up, I'm still performing. Never poor performance on the real, and I'm the young nigga that you should be with. Yes, and I'm the best one doing this. I'm trying to get this shit in, trying to get it out. Name heard of all around the city. They know I got the drugs, they know I keep them 50s. Smoking this, I'm smoking on that, and I don't give a shit. I hit your bitch with the facts. The fact is, I ain't them other niggas. I'm the realest nigga you know, so keep a clip foe. Yeah, for these other bitch hoes, why they wanna come try to steal my mojo? But really all they do is Mr. Slow the flow, and I'm out of control, but still down the bowl. I hit the club going rowdy with the roll. Out of control, I think I'm still on the go. I might be sleepwalking, might be sleep talking, but I'm still doing this. I'm still pursuing it. I make a lot of hits. I make a lot of pictures in my MySpace. You can go and hit them. I'm a real one. I keep that big gun. I keep it on my side. My advice, you should run. But if you could, girl wanna come, she can come through and get lay down like a rug. I beat it up and maybe take your plug out the dumb ass bullshit, nigga. Leave your ass stripped. Yeah, like they said, all I want is the president or the motherfucking blunts. I wanna front, not trying to even stunt, but I'm standing tall where I'm the first class baller. I ain't gonna stalk her, but I might straight call her, trying to see what she doing, trying to see if she eating. But I'm treating her, I hang her on this. I tell her she gonna be the infamous new chick. I take her out to dinner, I take her out to eat. Now we smashing on the shit, it's on my treat. Yeah, and now I greet her up. I might eat her out, and I might take her out. Another date, now I'm in the panties, I ain't even motherfucking hating or motherfucking scheming. She a bad bitch, so she deserves that. And matter of fact, I'ma come right back and beat the pussy up because I'm first of class. And first one in them pussy shit, I'ma smash. I took her virginity. She is on me. She love to fuck with me because she straight know me. And she know I hold her down if I own her. And she my latest girl, I'm a diploma. And I don't give a shit if she want money. I ain't gotta loan her because she my honey. She like to take it slow. She like to get down. And my bitch pushing bricks all around town. She keep that loud pack if you wanna smoke. She got that good weed, that one hit tote that have you coughing a lung up, have it collapse. And I don't give a shit, you might just relapse. My bitch is on the grind, my bitch is hard to find. She in this crib, still busting off the nine. You try her stupid, try to rob her, she gon' take your life. And she gon' take your bread, maybe take your fucking rice. And take your food, take your munchies, she rude. She only like me because she knows she can't fight me. I keep it real 100%. And if you talk shit, you should not. Because I'm the president, still bought a fucking yacht, still whipping out the shit. And you know, I taught the bitch to tote the chop and hit her quick. I'm the gunner bitch, still talk a lot of shit.